Welcome back, everybody, to Project COVID 1953. It is our 1953 Chevrolet 150 project. Wanted to let you know where I was and what I was doing. I've got a lot of the mechanical part done that I wanted to, and then from there I decided to go ahead and start on the bodywork. The bodywork was going to be a challenge because there was a lot of rust, and that was from it being in a fire. The garage caught on fire. And the fenders I had two sets of fenders. It turns out the original fenders were actually a better candidate for repair than the two that I purchased. It had the rust from where it burnt the paint off, but it didn't have a whole lot of body work that needed to be done, some but not a lot. And compared to the other ones, they were much better. So getting ready to strip those down, strip the rust out of the inside as well as the outside. And then also the hood. The hood, significant amount of rust, and I'm going to be doing a lot of chemical stripping there. So a lot of fast etch, spray on acid that will actually reduce or eliminates a lot of the rust. And you basically wire brush it off, put some more on, back and forth, until you get it down to where you want. Because if I would sandblast or grind it, I think it would take too much good material away, and it would make the panel too thin to even use. So a lot of that's going into it, and you'll see that, and I'll let you know how it goes. But we're moving on to some good stuff with the bodywork.